Hello class 2, welcome back to your GK class children. Today we will do page number 34 of your book, that is chapter number 23. Chapter number 23, Fun and Games. What is the name of the chapter? Fun and Games. Okay, this is Fun and Games chapter 23 and page number is 3434. 3434. And in this chapter children we will do only two pages, that is page number 34 and 35 only. We will not do the next page, that is page number 36. Okay, 36, yeah, 36 we will do, 37 we will not do. We will do 34, 35 and 36. And 37 is not required, so we'll do up to page number 36. Right? So let us start. What is the name of the chapter? Fun and Games. We all like to play games, isn't it? And it is very enjoyable for us when we enjoy it very much when we play games, isn't it? It's a kind of fun for us. We play with, when we play with our friends, it makes us feel happy also, isn't it? So games are a kind of fun for children and we need some toys to play. How we will play? Suppose we are meeting with our friends, then we need to take something, some toys with us so to play with, right? So if you are going to meet your friend and you carry a ball, then you can play cricket, ball and bat. So if you want to play cricket, you need a ball, a cricket ball and a bat. If you want to play football, then you have to take a football with you. If you want to play with an yo-yo, then you have to take that toy with you. Otherwise, how you'll play, isn't it? Here on page number 34, you can see pictures of so many toys, okay, that children love to play with. Now what we have to do, we have to write down the name of these toys by looking at the picture. We'll look at the picture and we'll write the name of the toys, okay, that we need to play. See, number 1 is this picture. You can see like this, A, B, C, D, this way it is given, A, B, C. So what is this? This is what you all love to play with this. Even the elder person also, they like to play with this. Yo-yo, okay, yo-yo, Y-O dash Y-O. This is yo-yo. Then if you come here, see what are these? These are some sets, okay, they are called construction set. So with the help of this, you can make building, you can make house, you can make a robot, okay, you can make a bus according to your wish. So this is known as construction set. And the last one means this side. This one, what is this? This we play in the ground, okay, this is flying disc. When we go to the ground to play with our friend, we like to take flying, what are these? Flying discs. So write down this flying discs. Done. Number A, you have written yo-yo. Number 2, construction set. Number 3, what is this? See properly. This is flying disc. Write down. Then we'll come to number D. See, D. This is number D. These are Skittles. Skittles. Okay, so it is also very enjoyable when you play this. Okay, it makes you feel very happy, excited, curious. So these are called Skittles. 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 Then we'll go to number E. This is also very common. All the children, they love to play with this. What are these called? Rubik's Cube. Isn't it? You have to match the color. So these are called Rubik, RUBIK apostrophe S. Okay, apostrophe S, then CUBE. Rubik's RUBIK apostrophe S CUBE. Rubik's Cube. Okay, this one you have done. This one SKITTLES. Now we'll move to the next one. The next one is a skateboard. Okay, some children and some grown-up people also, they like to play with the skateboard. So the spelling is S-K-A-T-E, skateboard, B-O-A-R-D. So this is skateboard. It is required if you want to skate, then you need this skateboard. S-K-A-T-E, skateboard, B-O-A-R-D, board. Then you can see this one. This is also a very nice thing. Especially boys, the girls also play, boys also likes to play with this. So this is scooter, S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. This is called scooter. Okay, it looks like a scooter. So this toy is called scooter, S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. Write down. Then next one. Okay, see, this is also very common. We can see this is roller skates. This is called roller skate. So this is also a skate. So you love to play with the skate. You like skating on the roads also, isn't it? So this is these are called roller skates. R-O-L-L-E-R. Is it visible? Roller skates, S-K-A-T-E-S, R-O-L-L-E-R, roller skates, S-K-A-T-E-S, or skate also you can say. So this is page number 23. We have written the name of all these toys. With the help of this, all the children like to play. Now we'll move to page number 35. Page number 35 is this one. I think most of you have seen this pictures. Very common picture. You have to write down the name. What do we call this, and why do we use? Okay, this for this picture you can see why do you use this for? When you use this to play, right? Now for what are this used? We'll write, because we have to see three options for each is given, so you have to select the correct one. You can select more than one option also. Like number 1, what is this picture? This is the first picture, black and red. We can see this one. So what do we do with this? Which game do we play with this? It is an indoor game. So this is chess. We can play chess with this, and checkers also. Ludo we cannot play with the help of this box, this check box. So what is this used for? This is used to play chess. Number A, you will tick chess, and then you will also tick checkers. We also play checkers with this. So two options are correct, chess and checker. Now we'll move to number B. This is also very common indoor game. We all love to play it. What is this called? Chinese checker, isn't it? So you will put a tick in Chinese checker. It is not bridge, not checkers. It is Chinese checkers, isn't it? So you all love to play with this. And then see, this is another game. What are these? These are cards. So what is the name of this game? We call it patience, bridge, or rummy. It is patience. Okay. So we will put a tick mark here. Patience. Then comes the next one. Okay, what are these? What are these two? What we do with this when we go to play? This is a skipping, isn't it? So the skipping is mostly done by the girls. So boys also do, but mostly the girls. So is this a flying kite? No. Is this used for swimming? No. Then it is skipping. Number 4D is skipping, S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. So number 1 option is correct. Now we will go this. Why do we use this? To fly kites, isn't it? So number 1 option is flying kites. Yes, it is true. You will put a tick. We'll put a tick in flying kites. Roller skating. No, it is not used in roller skating. Is this used for skipping? No, it is not used for skipping also. So the first option, that is flying kites, is correct one. Okay. See. Done. Done. I think we have done this one. So we have completed page number 23 and page number 34, that is chapter 23. Page number 34 and 35 we have already completed. Then we will do page number 36. So we'll do it right now. Okay, page number 36, not very lengthy. So here what you have to do, you have to write down the names. Okay, 2-3 words are given, some blanks are also given so that you can use, and clues are also given, the letters are given that you will use to write down the name of the races. These are the name of all different kinds of races. There are different kinds of races, isn't it? 50-meter race, 100-meter race, then relay race. You have none. We have during our sports, isn't it? Relay race, then marathon race, that we don't have. So there are different sack race. Yes, we have sack race. So skipping race means you have to skip and then you have to write. Okay. So we'll do, let us see, use the given letters to complete the name of the race. So few letters are given. By using this, we have to write the name of the race. See 3 children there inside a sack. See the first picture. Like you all love this sack race very much. So S-A-C-K. We have taken help from this. S, then A, then C, then K. So sack race. Then comes this one. What is this? This is called relay race. This is called relay race. So we have taken help of this word and done this one. R-E-L-A-Y. R-E-L-A-Y. Okay, relay. Then comes this one. What is this? Very common, skipping. So with the help of this word we have made this one. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. Done? Skipping done. Then comes this one. Okay. Now see here. 3-leg race. This is called 3-leg race. T-H-R, you'll write like this. T is already given, then H, R-E-E, 3-legged race. Okay, the T-H-R-E-E, T, then H, then R, double E is already given. So you write only H-R here, then with leg L-E-G-G-E-D. So we write L here. So this is called 3-legged race. Okay, done. Then we'll move to number E. The next one, it is called wheelbarrow. It is called which kind of race? Wheelbarrow. W-H-E-E-L, wheelbarrow. B-A-R-R-O-W, barrow. Number E. W-H-E-E-L, wheelbarrow. B-A-R-R-O-W, barrow. So this is wheelbarrow. All the races are very interesting. Wheelbarrow. Done? So this way we have completed chapter number 23. We will not do page number 37. You can put a cross and write omitted, O-M-I-T-T-E-D, omitted here. Okay, this means we will not do, no question will come from this page. Okay, only up to this we have done. So we have completed this part today. So see you in the next class. Thank you.